because I have a lot of my clients, what they do is they mix that coffee, if they are an early morning riser, with a little bit of milk to give them those fast-acting carbs and a little bit of protein before their workout, or post-workout. If they're an early morning person as well and they have that post-workout, they mix some iced coffee with a little bit of chocolate milk, and it tastes like a mocha, and it does everything. It gives you a little caffeine for the rest of the day, gives you the protein to repair your muscles, and the carbs to refuel your muscle stores and rehydrate. So it does a little bit of everything.